Next we talk about subtractor. Subtractors are quite similar to the adder in their operation. For example, 0 minus 0 is equals to 0, but 0 minus 1 is simply as 1 0, because here we take a borrow 1. Also 1 minus 0 equals to 1 and 1 minus 1 equals to 0. So accordingly we have a truth table. Inputs are A, B, and output is difference if there is an arrow, so output borrow. 0 0, we have output 0, borrow is 0. But in case of 0 1, there is only one borrow, so 0 1, answer is 1, because there is one borrow. 1 0 1, no borrow, and 1 1 0 with again no borrow. So this is a simple truth table, and in block diagram we can draw it as this is a half subtractor, A, B inputs, difference borrow output, difference. Now as we have seen that in case of 0 1, the subtractor gives 1 and borrow is 1. Now as we see here, the difference, input difference, it is a XOR operation. This is XOR operation, and this is 0 1 0. So we can also draw a logic circuit. For a logic circuit, the difference is XOR, this is difference, and in case of borrow we can use AND gate. As we have seen that for borrow there is a A, B, 0 1 1 0. So we can use A bar and B. So this is a borrow output. So this is a logic circuit of half subtractor. Next we talk about full subtractor. The truth table consider all the possible combination of binary subtraction. It has 3 inputs A, B, and the third input is the borrow in. So in case of full subtractor there are 3 inputs A, B, borrow input, and there is output in the form of difference and borrow output. Now since there are 3 inputs, logic becomes 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Now 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So this is a possible input. Now again 0 0 0 0 0 minus 0 0 0 minus 0 0. So difference 0, borrow is 0. Again 0 minus 0 0 0 minus 1. So in this case we take a borrow and output is 1. 0 minus 1, again output is 1, borrow is 1. 0 minus 1, difference is 1, borrow is 1, and 1 minus 1, that is 0. So in this case 1 minus 0 1, 1 minus 0 1, there is no borrow. 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 1, zero. Since this is 1, this is 1. 1 minus 0 1, 1 minus 0 1, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0, so again 0, 1 minus 1 0, 0 minus 1 1 1. So this is a simple truth table of full subtractor. Now we draw a K map for difference and output borrow. Since this is a 3 variable, so we draw map now write down AB, borrow in, AB, borrow in, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 1. Now 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1. Now in case of difference, input difference, borrow output. As we have seen from truth table, there is 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 1. So we write it 1 here. 1 in the case of 0 0 1, 0 1 0 and 1 0 0 and last 1 1 1. So there are 4 ones. We write it as here 1 1 1 1. Similarly, in case of borrow, there is a 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 and last. So we write 1 for these values. Now we take a combination. Since there is no combination for input difference, so we can write A bar B in plus A bar B in bar plus AB bar B in bar plus AB B in. Borrow output is equals to A bar B plus A bar B in plus B in. So in this way we can write difference and borrows. After this we draw a logic circuit. Now for the full subtractor there are three inputs. So the in case of block diagram we can gives three inputs and two outputs. This is AB, B in, this is input, borrow output, this is output, this is input. This is called full subtractor. Now logic diagram is also very simple. Two half subtractors are connected. So first we draw half subtractor having two inputs AB. In case of A we have inverter, here B. So this is a input, this is a borrow output. Now again we draw a half subtractor. The output of the first subtractor is given to the input of the second subtractor, and there is a borrow input. Now again this is given to this one and this is given to here. So we get borrow output. So this is a full subtractor. So the full subtractor consists of the two half subtractor and a OR gate. Next is magnitude comparator. Magnitude comparator can be designed for comparing multi-bit number. Here the block diagram of n-bit comparator is shown in figure. For n-bit comparator we consider a block diagram. In this we have two inputs A and B. And this is n-bit comparator. Now in n-bit comparator we generally compare A and B. So there are three possible output. A is greater than B, A is equals to B, and A is less than B. So this is simply a n-bit comparator. It receives two n-bit numbers. Here A and B are the two n-bit numbers, and the output is specified by the three binary variables which indicate whether A is greater than B, A is equals to B, or A is less than B. One of the output will be high depending upon the relative magnitude of the two numbers. Now we can draw a truth table. The following truth table is a 2-bit comparator. Here we show n-bit comparator, but for the working purpose we consider 2-bit comparator. For the 2-bit comparator, A and B are of 2 bits. So then there are three possible outputs. These are inputs. these are outputs. A1, since this is a 2-bit comparator, so A and B are of 2 bits. So A input having a 2 bits, similarly B also having a 2 bits. For the output, A is greater than B, A is equals to B, and A is less than B. Now since this is a 2-bit, the inputs, the total bits for the inputs are 4. So for this we consider zero 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 one 1011, then 0001 1011, and here are now we consider 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, then here is 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So these are the possible inputs. Now we see that whether A is greater than B. No. A is equals to B. Yes. A is less than B. No. Now we see that 0 0 is greater than 0 1. No. So this is 0. Equal not? Yes. Similarly, 0 0 is greater than 1 0. Now 0 0 is greater than 1 1. Now 0 1 is greater than 0 0. Yes. So this is 1. 0 1 is equals to 0 1. So this is 1. 0 1 1 0. 0 1 is less than 1 0. So this is 1. Again 0 1 is less than 1 1. Now 1 0 is greater than 0 0. Yes. 1 0 0 1, 1 0 is greater than 1 0 1 0 equal 1 0 is less than 1 1 is greater than, yes, 1 1 is greater than 1 1 is greater than 1 0, yes, equal. So this is a truth table of the 2-bit magnitude comparator. After this we draw a K-map. K-map for A greater than B equals to B and less than B. Now for A greater than B, we find it that 1 is for 0 1 0 0. So in case of this one, we can write 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0. So this is 1 here. Similarly, we can write all the ones 1 0 0 0. Okay. And this is 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0, this one. So this is the representation on K-map. Similarly, we can write for A equals to B all the ones we can represent on this K-map. The first is all the zeros where is 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1, that is 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0, that is this is 1 1 1 1. Similarly, we can also write A less than B 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Now we choose first. Here we draw, we make a grouping. First group is this one, and this one. Similarly, we can write A greater than B equals to A1 B1 bar plus A1 A naught B1 bar B naught bar plus A1 A naught B naught bar. For A equals to B, we can write A1 bar A naught bar B1 B naught B1 bar B naught bar plus A1 bar A1 B1 bar B naught plus A1 A naught B1 B naught bar A1 A naught bar B1 B naught bar. Now for A greater than less than B, groupings are like this, and we can write A1 bar B1 plus A1 bar A naught bar B naught plus A naught bar B1 B naught bar. So this is a simple 2-bit magnitude comparator. Decoders are used to decode the binary state of the inputs. So the next topic is decoder. Here the decoder is used to decode the binary state. Suppose we have two inputs A and B. These two inputs have 4 states: A bar, B bar. Now we consider two inputs. We have two inputs. Zero zero, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. So accordingly, as there are two variables, there will be 4 inputs states, and when we want to know the decimal equivalent of any state, we will look at the output, which will indicate the decimal value of the binary input. So in this case, outputs for here, this is, if we draw a block diagram, this is a decoder, two inputs, 4 outputs. Two inputs A and B. Outputs are Y0, Y1, Y2 and Y3. So we take Y0, Y1, Y2 and Y3. So we make 4 outputs. Now the purpose of the decoder is to decode any binary number. So here for input 0 0, this decoder decode 1 at Y0. Similarly 0 1 is decoded at Y1 equals to 1, and 1 0 decoded at Y2, and 1 was decoded at Y3. So this is a decoded equivalent, truth table of the decoder. So accordingly, we can draw the logic diagram. Since there are 4 inputs, 4 outputs, so we can use 4 AND gate. Two inputs A and B, but it has A bar also and B bar also. When both are 0 0, 0 0, then we get Y0. 0 0, then 0 1, 0 1, then we get Y1. 1 0, this is 1, this is 0, then we get Y2, and 1 1, this is 1, and this is again 1, so we get Y3. So this is a logic diagram of any decoder. Extension of decoder is demultiplexer. Now we talk about demultiplexer. Demultiplexer. A demultiplexer has a single input and many output, one input and many output. The input of the demultiplexer can be routed to any of the output channel. For this reason, demultiplexer is also called a data selector. Data selector. For example, this is a block diagram of a demultiplexer. It has a one input, that is called input line, and many output. Here if we consider two select lines A and B, then 2 to power 2 outputs are there, y0, y1, y2, y3. So this is 1 cross 4 demux. Now our purpose is to get a logic of this demultiplexer. So input is 1, control inputs are A and B. These are control inputs. It is also act as the inputs, and 4 outputs. So we draw a truth table. We have input D, control input A and B, and outputs y0, y1, y2, y3. Now if there is no data input line, if there is no input, so there is no output, and there is no use of control inputs. Now when there is input means when there is 1, and in this case there is a control inputs 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, means control inputs are applicable only when there are inputs, there is some input. Now for this, for AB equals to 0 0, then output is y0, then y1, then y2, then y3. So this is a output. Outputs. We can also draw the logic diagram of demultiplexer. It is similar as a decoder, but there is one more input, that is data input. Here again we represent 4 AND gates. For select lines we consider AB having A and A bar, B and B bar. There is input D, which is connected to every decoder, every AND gate. Now there is a working of demultiplexation using select lines. First is 0 0 0 0, then the output is y0, then 0 1 0 1, then output is y1, 1 0 1, and this is 0, then the output is y2, and then 1 1 1, and this is 1, the output is y3. So this is a simple logic diagram of any demultiplexer. Next is called multiplexer. There are many applications in which the number of digital signals has to be processed in an identical manner, or it has to cover the same transmission distance. In such area of knowledge of multiplexing leads to the reduction in number of processing circuit and transmission channel. Multiplexing basically refer to transmission a large number of signals over a single number of channels. Or we can say that it has a circuit having many inputs and single output. If we select one of the inputs, it route it to the single output and hence called a data selector. This is also called a data selector. Now the block diagram and the truth table for the case of 4:1. Now we explain multiplexer taking example 4 by 1 multiplexer. 4 by 1 means there are 4 inputs and 1 output, and these inputs are controlled by select lines A and B. So we take inputs I1, I node I1, I2, and I3. 4 by 1 mux. Output is Y. Now we draw a truth table. These are select lines. Output select lines are A and B, and output is Y. 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Now when the select lines are 0 0, then the output is selected as I node input. Means when the select lines are 0 0, I node is connected by this output line. Similarly 0 for 0 1 we select I1, then I2, then I3. So this is a simple truth table of 4 by 1 multiplexer. Similarly we can also draw a logic diagram. Here for logic diagram we can use NAND gate. For this we use 4 NAND gates. Inputs are I node, I1, I2, I3. Now there is a select line AB. Zero zero 0 0 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 and 1 1. So in this way all are added using OR gate, then we get output Y. Here we note a point. In addition to these inputs, there is one input also, that is called enable input. Enable inputs are connected by all the NAND gates. So here we can also enable input E. So this is a basic logic diagram of 4:1 multiplexer.